Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas here in Portland, Oregon, 2021. And this has nothing to do with fences, but everything with feeding the birds. I've always wanted to do this. I've never done this before on video, but I always want to do this. I do this all the time, I'm killing two birds with one stone here. I don't know, you guys cook bacon and stuff, and it leaves a lot of grease behind, right? Well, I drain it off, and instead of putting it down the sink, right, I add some oats to it, and I feed the birds. Watch this, check this out. We'll see how long it takes them to eat this stuff up, man. I don't know if you can see, but there's been a big old pile here before. Dinner call. I don't know if they can hear me, but I'm gonna go inside and we'll see. There you have it. all about 20 minutes, these birds ate that bacon grease and oats right up, man. Anyway, yeah, this is what we do here in Portland, Oregon for fun. Sit inside and watch the birds come in, and man, I'll tell you what, one time I've had probably about 20-25 birds in there, out there feasting off of some oats and grease, and I'm telling you, man, that's kind of cool to see. But anyway, the reason why I stopped the video like I did is because these GoPros have a problem about stopping. I mean, it was up here on the tripod out there and checking things out, and when I went in and took the videos off of the chip, you know, it was only about half of the video that was there. So I was like, what? So I didn't get all of it. I didn't even get the ending on it when I came up to the video or to the camera, you know, and said something. But anyway, that's the way it goes, you know. I mean, I'm just doing my best to put this channel out there, you know what I mean? And so if you've subscribed to the channel, hey, thanks, you know, and if you haven't, hey, like everybody else says, smash it, man. You know, I'm just doing the best I can. I ain't got much to offer, you know, other than myself, you know, and some videos for fences and maybe some reading some cash advertising. But you know, I'm not like a guru with marketing or yet, because but I'm getting there, you know. The Fix a Fence channel and the website, I mean, my goodness, 13 to 15 weeks out with work, that's got to say something with marketing, all organic and everything. But you know, it's not like I'm selling a book or anything like that, but I'd imagine I could probably write one. Might not be the best on the shelf, but you know, probably be the smallest. But you know what, some of those are probably the best selling books ever, because it don't take you long to read. There's not much in there to learn, and you'd probably be saying, well, why did I spend that money on for, you know? But anyway, whatever, you know. Isn't that what we're after, you know, a comfortable life? But anyway, yeah, I guess I'm crying a little bit too much. But anyway, hey, yeah, about 20 minutes, these birds ate that up, man. What do you think about that? Smash the like button, leave comments below if you want more videos like this. If not, hey, don't bother watching. Hey, have a great day. Keep smiling. Merry Christmas.